Interrupt you again, and we are going to look at combustion. So combustion of hydrocarbons. What is a combustion reaction? What do we need?
Oxygen.
Oxygen gas. And we're going to have our hydrocarbon, and it doesn't really matter what it is. Let's go with, what was that one? Ethene. What's it going to produce? What do all combustion reactions produce? Carbon dioxide and water.
Some produce soot though.
So this we would call complete combustion. What states are the carbon dioxide and water in?
Gas and liquid.
Oh, liquid.
Oh yeah, gas. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be gas for both of them because it's real hot.
It's water gas.
It's water gas. All right, now we have to balance, don't we? How do we go about balancing? Do you remember?
We do get carbons first.
Carbons first. We started out with 2 carbons over here, so we're going to need 2 carbon dioxides. What are we going to do next? Hydrogens. We have 4 there. So what do I need here?
4.
I need 4 here.
Put a 2.
2 out the front.
Don't you already have? Oh no.
So now I've got my carbons balanced and my hydrogens balanced. Oxygen last. How many oxygens do I have from the carbon dioxide?
4.
4. How many do I have from the water? 2. So I have 6 oxygens in total. What does that mean I need to do to balance my reactants? 3 out the front. Okay, now we're balanced. What about incomplete? Incomplete combustion. Well, the combustion part is the same, isn't it? So we're going to have some kind of hydrocarbon. What's this one? Propane. This is found in LPG tanks, liquid petroleum gas. So we know we're reacting with oxygen. Now, some of them will say a sooty residue produced. What's that code for? Carbon. What state? Solid. And go through our same processes again. We're balancing our carbons first, so what do we need to do? 3 out the front here. We're going to balance our hydrogens.
4. We got 8.
How many have we got?
8.
8. So, and now, lastly, our oxygens. What do we need to do?
Put a 2 there.
2 here. Sometimes we might have incomplete, and we have a gas product. What's that code for?
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide. Okay, what's this one called? 1E, just for a bit of variety. Okay, we're going to balance now. What do we need to do first?
Carbon.
Carbon. What are we going to do?
4 out the front.
4 out the front. And then we're going to balance hydrogens. Now what are we going to do now? What have we got?
You got 9.
9. Ooh.
You put one extra where you should.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I did too. So now, is that right now?
Yep.
You did.
So now we've got 8.
Yep.
Okay, good. So what do we do now? 4 at the front here. And lastly, our oxygens. Back like our first example, we've got oxygen in 2 locations. We have 4 oxygens here and 4 oxygens here. So we're going to need 4 over here. Okay, does that ring a bell? We
Yep.
could, we can also have incomplete combustion where we produce both of these. And that would be a little bit more complex for the balancing, but not really that much.
Also, probably have to tell you the ratio between carbon and carbon monoxide.
Well, even if it doesn't,
Yeah.
you'd just pick a nice one for you.
Mm.
Okay, you could just make it easy for you to balance. Does that make sense? All right. So I think that's enough theory for today.